here and we're doing bits. So my hair is in sections, and as you know, once I take out these sections, they're about to be limp. Baby girl, they're about to be limp, but it's okay because I'm going to be showing you guys how I rejuvenate my hair using one product. Yes, one product. So let me actually get into what that is. So it's in here in the spray bottle. I have aloe vera juice. You guys know I love aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice and water, warm water mixed in here because I want it to be warm when I'm spraying it, and that's literally it. So you're gonna see how I revive this hair and make it look presente beau, please. Let me know down below, and also I like to use an oil too sometimes if I feel like I need a bit of shine. That is olive oil. But yeah, let me know because I'm curious. Whoop. Down below what you lot use on your hair to get it to bounce back, because I do not sleep with pineapples, especially when I have twist outs and stuff like that. I prefer to have my hair in twists because for me that just lessens the amount of breakage that I will be getting because it will be less tangles that way. Now when I have pineapples, baby girl, it's a tangle galore. Okay, that was great. But yeah, so this is it. Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god! It's not giving me life, it's giving me limp. And that's just not what I want to look like. I don't want to look like a scarecrow all my life. At some point it's time for change. At some point it's time for an upgrade. You get me? So I kind of like to work in sections a bit. So I'm gonna take these the top section. Ooh, I forgot the middle. How can I forget to untwist the middle one? And the first thing you want to do is go with your hands and separate, because my hair has clumped together. It has decided that's what it wants to do, and that's cute. But to get the volume and stuff that I like and appreciate, I need it separated. And that's what I'm doing now. I'm gonna separate, take your time. Now the good thing about sleeping with it in twist is that it does elongate the hair, so you are getting some kind of stretch, and you can control how much shrinkage that you get or that you want when you use the aloe vera in the spray bottle, which is what I like, because guess what, I do like me some shrinkage, but I do like that you can see the length too, so it's kind of a win-win for me at this point. So taking that, separating. I feel like I missed the middle chunk. Yeah, I did. Right here. Like I said, you just did twist, so it's going to be in the twist, the two sections, and you want to kind of separate them and tell them it's okay. It's okay to be free, you know? So right there we have that. Then I like to take my handy dandy spray bottle and just literally, let me turn it around. Literally just spray it into the hair. Now, my spray bottle kind of does a mist. I know people have like better ones that have more of a mystifying quality. This one, it's a regular spray bottle, but it doesn't squirt out. It doesn't squirt like in a stream. It does give me mist vibes. You get me? So yeah. First section, one and done. I'm gonna take a bit of oil on my hand, just a bit. Honestly, I do, and then just like this, lightly. It doesn't actually matter to me. Now, you're not going to see the shrinkage immediately, but I can feel in my hand that my hair is puffing up. So I'm loving that, which is great. And again, you are able to control where you get the frizz and where you put the, what's it called, water in. So I know the ends of my hair, or the back section rather, I prefer it to be a bit longer, and then the sides and the top I like it to be, you know, a bit more shrunken and stuff like that. So knowing that, I'm able to work with those sections, each way having its own specific kind of routine and stuff. So got this here. Now we have the middle section right here, and you can automatically feel the difference. I can feel the difference. First of all, it's dry. Secondly, it's still like clumped. So again, we're going within each section and separating the clumps that you see. You know, just like so. Back here's another section. And when I do the twist at night, I do not twist it very hard or strong. It's pretty much loose twist, just something to hold the hairs in place. So it's not like I have that much separating to do. But still, it does kind of form clumps and stuff. So I do have to separate it. Make some kind of effort to separate. So yeah, the middle section is pretty much done. It's this section right here. Right here. See it? And get my handy dandy spray bottle. Spray it. I like to spray the under parts first and flip it back, then get the top. I have the spray bottle pretty far away. Get in. And then get in from under. Right there. So now you're seeing. Now you're seeing me. It's giving me that, oh, pew, that pizzazz, that fullness that I need, baby girl. Baby girl. And of course the water hasn't set yet, so this is just part one. And of course I'll be back when it has soaked in and stuff. So then a light bit of oil. If you have like a hair serum that you really like, this would be a time to use it. Just something to give it a bit extra moisture. A lot of my products are white, so I don't use them during this section because you'd be able to see it until it dries, and that it's not my style, you get me? So yeah, back section one and done. And now we're to the front. And again, it's pretty simple. Let me start with this side, one closer to the camera. But you see these clumps, something like this that's stuck together. We don't want that. We want it separated. We want all of them to be individuals. You know what I'm saying? Because you come into this world alone and you're going to leave alone. Hashtag depressing. Now, if you're a person that wants definition, I don't know if that's what this is doing, honestly. I don't know. It's not like there's no definition, honestly. You could still see some. Clearly, I don't like separate it all the way, but my main thing is just a bit more volume, just a bit more. All right, see, top there, pretty much all separated for the most part. On this section, I'm gonna do this side. I'm done with the front, so I'm gonna spray the front now. Again, I'm starting underneath the front. I gotta always hide my face a little bit. I love using aloe vera water mixed with water because of how juicy it leaves my hair. I used to do this before with just water, and baby girl, no, it's not the way. So this one right here, this seems to be like the longest. It always just looks long and strong. So I'm gonna just spray it almost directly on that section, just so that it shrinks down a bit. But yeah. So you're channeling the water where you want it to be. So already these, oh sorry, let me do under first. These sections of my hair are already way more wet than the back sections that I've done, because I just want a bit more shrinkage in the front. And like I said, I don't mind, ooh, keep sticking to my lip gloss. I don't mind frizz, okay? If it's gonna get me a bit of the desired volume that I want, so I'm fine with that. A bit of frizz in the front. But if you're not, then I would suggest not touching it as much. Like as you're spraying, don't touch, just like spray. But I don't mind. Okay. Gonna use some oil. I don't know if you guys saw. For both sections. Just touching it in. Just touching and feeling. Touching and feeling and things. And that's pretty much it. I have to get this section. This one will stay long forever. It does not respect me. He does not respect me. And that's heavy daint. That's really heavy daint. Okay. There we are. I don't know if I'm going to leave it in the middle part or if I'm going to do a side part. My usual is a side part. But that's that. It is still a bit wet, especially in the front, because I put a lot. But I could already see the shrinking happening in the front, which creates kind of like a shape. And if it's longer in the back, it creates a shape that I like typically. But yeah, my hair definitely has not been shaped ever in my life. So we're just, yeah, we all just know that. All right. I'm going to be back when it's fully dry so that I, ooh, child, my scalp is itching. I'm going to be back when it's fully dry so that you guys can see the finished result and compare it from before till after. How it is. The finished look, I gotta say I really love it like this. This is the way I enjoy wearing my hair. You know, a bit more fullness, a bit more pizzazz. And that's just that. Isn't it? Also hit the subscribe button. Also follow me on my Instagram because I'm there and I'm cutting up. I'm cutting up. Period. Anyway, so that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.